did you buckle yourself in there all by yourself?
Oh no, stuck.
You're stuck? How did you get in there?
Buckle stuck.
The buckle's stuck?
Give it. Help it.
There we go.
More.
More. Now what?
Stuck.
You're stuck again? That's funny how that happens. Every time you buckle yourself in, you get stuck.
And
Oh, you're going to go under? How about Mommy just undoes the buckle?
I do. Two. So three. Get stuck. Get stuck. Get stuck. Oh no. Oh no. Mommy. Why?
What happened?
Mommy. Why? Can't.
Well, what are you doing?
Can't.
You can't get it?
Can't get it.
Do you want some help?
Go. No, please. Work it.
Work it.
Yeah, see. Get.
Oh, good job.
Trails.
You want some Cheerios?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ball.
A bowl? Okay.